This beautiful, almost new build in South Norman is available for sale. At 1,900 square feet with an open floor plan, this home delivers quality, safety, and even the perfect work-from-home setting that you're craving. One of my favorite pieces of this home is the dedicated entryway that helps you to feel like you're stepping out of the world and into your own safe zone. I'm Marcie Billen, and I'm a realtor in Norman, Oklahoma. For more info on this house, the complete listing, check out the description below. The kitchen is completely open to the living area and has brass and nickel fixtures, a one-basin sink, consistent wood-like tile floors, and wonderfully clean, creamy white cabinets. Cooking is simplified by the built-in gas range, full walk-in pantry, and quartz countertops. The primary bedroom sits separately from the two hall bedrooms and study. I know this will be your own personal haven. The tray ceiling and view of the backyard are icing on the cake of this primary suite. The bathroom includes a jetted tub, doorless walk-in shower, roomy vanity area, and separate walk-in toilet space. The closet is connected to both the primary bathroom and the laundry room. One of my favorite things about the laundry room is that it's immediately on your left through the front door, and the garage is attached to the laundry room as well. And the laundry room is connected to the primary bathroom. It makes it a fantastic space. As I mentioned, the study and two hall bedrooms sit opposite of the primary suite. There is even a barn door installed to the hall bedrooms for more privacy if that's what you want. The hall bath is a miniaturized version of the primary bath and includes ample storage both in the hall closets and, of course, above the toilet. The hall bedrooms are equal in size and include plush carpet for comfort. The study in this home is beautifully tucked away at the front of the house to truly separate your work and home life. The study does include a closet as well, making it the fourth bedroom in this home. The backyard faces east, which means your afternoons can be spent fully shaded, enjoying a built-in fireplace and over 200 square feet of concrete patio. Songbird Park is only a few houses away and includes a covered playground equipment for the kids to enjoy. You can give me a call to set up a showing.